Hi, I'm Za,
Pose with the pants.
and now I will be introducing two important human resource management process, which is selection and onboarding. These processes are essential for hiring the right people and helping them succeed in their new roles. So what is selection? Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidate for a job. This usually involves shortlisting resume, conducting interviews, and evaluating candidates through tests or assessment. For example, imagine a company looking to hire a graphic designer. Several people apply, but after reviewing their resume and doing a design test, the HR team chooses Amira. What about onboarding? So, once Amira is hired, this is where the onboarding process begins. Onboarding is all about helping new employee adjust smoothly to the company. It includes explaining company policies, introducing the team, assigning tools or equipment, and guiding them into their new role. In Amira's case, during her first week, she attends a welcome season, gets introduced to the marketing team, and receives access to design software, and is assigned a mentor to guide her through her first few projects. This structured onboarding helps Amira feel supported and confident, and she's able to start contributing faster with less stress or confusion. So in this case, selection helps the company choose the right person, and onboarding helps that person start strong. Both processes are connected, and when done properly, they lead to better performance, lower turnover, and more positive work environment.
Hi, my name is Hassan.
Pose with the pants.
I will explain about the importance of selecting and onboarding process. Number one is make the job run smoothly for the selecting process. Hiring the right person for the right job. At the selecting process, we have job description and job specification, which is for job description is for employer explain the job that what employee or candidate need to do after they get the job. Number two is job specification JS, which is the company look they qualify if they qualify enough to do the job from the history job and the education. Number two is reduce cost, hiring and selecting low in turnover employees. The company will select the right person to do the right job, and the employees or candidate that has been employed know how to do the job and enjoy to do it. So they will stay long at our company. Number three, boost company reputation. Our company will get the high reputation of well-managed employees, so we will get the high quality of candidates that want to join our company. Number two is can achieve organization goals, because we get the best employees that want to join our company. Now we will continue with onboarding process. Number one is faster productivity. Easily adapt with environment at workplace. The new candidate or the new employees that we hire now can be easily adapt with the environment and relationship with other co-workers, because we have the onboarding process. Now we will continue with number two, which is create motivated employees, increase engagement, job satisfied, and stay for long term at our company. When our company do the onboarding process, the employees feel valuable and they will be motivated to do their job, so they will give their opinion and point of view. Now we continue with number three, which is reduce mistake, understand the work process. The new employee that we hire will know what they need to do and how to do it, and then they will understand about the organization goals and what the organization needs and wants from the onboarding process.
Let's start with selection. One of the most effective practices is using structured interviews. For example, Unilever applies AI-powered assessment and video interviews to ensure all candidates are judged fairly based on consistent criteria. This helps reduce human bias and improve the quality of hires. Next, Google focuses heavily on having clear and detailed job descriptions. They create role scorecard to make sure every candidate understands the expectations, and the hiring team can evaluate applicants more precisely. Amazon introduced a practice called the bar raiser system. This means a specially trained interviewer from another department joins the panel to ensure high hiring standards and cultural fit. This also reduces the chances of hiring based on personnel bias. Lastly, IBM emphasized internal promotions by using AI tools to match current employees to new openings. This internal mobility builds loyalty and reduces recruitment costs. Now, moving on to onboarding, a great practice is the use of a structured onboarding plan like the 30, 60, 60-90 days program at Microsoft. This gives new hires clear expectations and support during their first 3 months, helping them settle in faster and more confidently. LinkedIn assigns a new hire buddy, which is someone who guides the new employee through their first few weeks. This helps build early relationships and reduces feelings of isolation. Deloitte focuses on pre-boarding, where they send welcome kits and digital resources before the employee's first day. This creates excitement and prepares the employee for the role ahead. Finally, Accenture uses a digital onboarding platform to guide new employees through tasks, policies, and training. It's efficient and scalable, especially for large organizations.
Hello, so my name is NADIAH, and I'm going to present about how to provide actionable strategies for selecting and onboarding. Let's begin with selecting process. The first thing we do is train our interviewers. This is important because we want interviewers to be fair, clear, and consistent. Interviewers are taught how to avoid bias, follow legal rules, and ask every candidate the same job-related question. This helps us choose the best person for the job in a fair way. The next one is we do reference and background checks, but instead of asking general questions, we focus on the candidate's actual work performance and behavior. We also use the same form for everyone, so the process is fair and organized. This helps us confirm that the person is a good fit before they start. We also can use technology like applicant tracking system and AI tools. This helps us filter through many resumes, highlight strong candidates, and save time. When we use this system correctly, they can also help us reduce bias and improve the quality of our hiring decisions. Once we have selected the right person, we move on to the next important step, which is onboarding. Onboarding is all about helping the new employee feel welcome, supported, and ready to do their job. One great way to do this is to assign a buddy or mentor. This gives the new hire someone they can go to with questions and helps them feel more connected from day one. We also focus on the 4 C's of onboarding: compliance, learning the rule and policies; clarification, understanding their role and what's expected; culture, getting to know the company values and ways of working; connection, building a relation with others in the organization. When all 4 parts are included in onboarding, new employee can fit with the team quickly and gain confidence in their new role. It's also important to get the whole team involved. Even something simple like welcome lunch or quick introduction with people from other departments can make a big difference. It helps the new hire see how their role connects to the rest of the organization and encourage teamwork from the start. To sum up, onboarding isn't just about teaching rules and procedure, it's also about helping new employees feel included and valued. We should take time to do it in the right way so we can give them a strong start. This also can be a reason for them to stay grow with the company.
Hi, my name is NADIRAH,
With the pants.
and I will explain the conclusion and suggested improvement. Firstly, for the conclusion, 2 critical components of an effective talent management strategy. In today's competitive business environment, effective selection and offboarding are critical to building a strong and successful workforce. Secondly, ensure right candidates are chosen. A well-structured selection process ensures that the right candidates are hired, those who are skilled, aligned with the job requirements, and capable of contributing to organizational goals. That is not only improve productivity and reduce turnover, but also enhance the company's reputation and operational efficiency. Thirdly, plays a vital role in helping new employees to adapting. Similarly, a strategic onboarding process helps new employees quickly adapt to the company culture, understand their roles, and feel engaged from the start. It fosters motivation, reduce early-stage mistakes, and increase long-term retention. By integrating engagement strategies such as interviewer training, digital tools, buddy programs, and structured onboarding plans, organization can create a seamless employee experience. Lastly, create a solid foundation. Ultimately, investing in strong selection and onboarding practice leads to higher employee satisfaction, stronger team performance, and long-term business success. For the suggested improvement, firstly, interviewer training program to build fairness and effectiveness in hiring. An effective interview training program is crucial to ensure that the hiring process is fair, consistent, and legally complete. Secondly, enhance candidate experience in creating a positive journey for job applicants. By enhancing this experience means ensuring that candidates feel respected, informed, and valued throughout the hiring process. Lastly, solicit feedbacks and iterate for continuously improving the onboarding experience. By actively listening to new hires, companies can identify strengths and weaknesses in the onboarding process and make data-driven improvement.